Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Unbox the XDM16BT and check the included USB cable and quick guide. Charge the speaker until the indicator shows full, about 2 hours at 3.7V. Place the speaker on a stable surface near your phone within 10 meters. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to power on and enter pairing mode. Watch the LED flash blue and red to confirm pairing readiness. Keep other Bluetooth devices turned off to avoid interference during initial setup. Open Bluetooth settings on your phone and enable Bluetooth scanning immediately. Wait until you see XDM16BT in the available device list on your phone. Tap XDM16BT to initiate pairing and accept any prompt with the PIN 0000 when required. Listen for a short connected tone from the speaker to confirm the link is active. After connection, check that media audio is enabled so music and calls route correctly. Move closer if pairing fails, keeping the phone with. If pairing fails, restart both the speaker and your phone before retrying the pairing steps. Reset the XDM16BT by holding power and volume down together for 5 seconds to clear previous pairings. On your phone, forget XDM16BT in Bluetooth settings and then rescan to start fresh. Keep software and app updates current if an update option exists in the companion app. Note that the speaker will auto-power off after 15 minutes of inactivity to save battery life and preserve charge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.